Good morning to the brilliant minds, the champions of innovation, and the torchbearer of tomorrow's tech. I am Dr. Shilpa Agarwal, along with my ever inspiring co host, Ms. Shrey Mittal. We are thrilled to welcome you all to the valedictory ceremony of our 12 hours GLA eHackathon 2025, the epic finale of what has been a whirlwind of innovation, where codes turn into solution and ideas transform into impact.
They said it is impossible, and you coded until it wasn't. After hours of pure brain power, mind blowing ideas, and tech wizardry, the curtains are rising on the most anticipated part of the journey, where we recognize the best of the best, celebrate success, and relive the magic. Because this was not just a hackathon, it was a battlefield of ideas, a playground of prototypes, and a launchpad for legends. From bugs to breakthroughs, pivots to prototype, you made it all happen.
We are about to roll into a celebration like no other, with energy, gratitude, and glory. Before we proceed, let us extend our heartfelt welcome to our esteemed dignitaries and guest of honor, Professor Dr. Vinay Alawat, present here today. We are truly honored by your presence, sir.
In a world fueled by technology, the ones who dare to imagine are the ones who define the future. Today, as we reflect on the incredible journey of our online GLA eHackathon 2025, one thing is clear: distance was no barrier when the determination was the driver. Over the last 12 hours, we witnessed an extraordinary wave of innovation where participants connected virtually from different corners of the region, united by a single soul to solve the real world challenges through technology, passion, and pure brilliance. We started with 7 enthusiastic teams and 27 individual participants, each receiving a distinct problem statement, each challenge sparking new thought, purpose, and possibility. Ideas collided, codes evolved, and creativity soared, reminding us all that true innovation knows no boundaries. As we moved into the second evaluation phase, the competition intensified. 5 teams and 15 individuals rose to the occasion, pushing the limits of their abilities. By the time we reached the final round, we were left with 5 teams and 11 individual warriors who battled through the pressure and delivered projects that reflected their resilience, collaboration, and sheer willpower. This was not just a competition, it was a digital odyssey of persistence, skill, and innovation. Every line of code written today was a stroke of creativity, and every problem tackled was a step closer to the real world change. You have proven that when passion meets purpose and learning meets action, magic happens. Let us walk away not just with the results, but with the spirit of innovation, resilience, and curiosity, and unshakable belief that future is not something we wait for, it is something we build, one idea at a time.
Now comes a moment of immense pride and gratitude to hear from the visionary minds who didn't just evaluate our participants but truly amplified the spirit of innovation with their wisdom, experience, and sharp insights. These two remarkable individuals stood as a guiding light throughout this online hackathon, observing, mentoring, and challenging our participants to push beyond their limits and reimagine what's possible. Their presence and involvement have been instrumental in making this event meaningful and impact. With immense gratitude, I now invite Mr. Mitesh Agarwal to share his reflection on this electrifying journey filled with code, creativity, and curiosity. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, so thank you, madam, for the kind introduction. And first of all, like I would like to congratulate to all the participants who have participated in this hackathon to make this such an inspiring event. It was truly a privilege to be the judge on this hackathon and witness the creativity, collaboration, and problem solving energy that you all brought from innovative apps to very clever technical implementation. The level of dedication like each student brought was visible in each and every project, whether it was completed or not. Uh, One thing like which clearly stood out was how the students were able to, uh, you know, um, translate the idea step by step, taking it level by level, working in a very short amount of time. So it reminded me of my own days when I used to participate in hackathons. And hackathon is not just about winning the prize money, it's also about learning, experimenting, and pushing your limits. Um Also, like to all the students, I would like to share some suggestions, like keep participating in as many hackathons as possible, explore different areas. Machine learning, artificial intelligence is a booming field nowadays. So like you can reach out to the mentors, or there are various communities as well. Lastly, like I would like to encourage you to keep uh, exploring your inner creativity and enjoy the process. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your empowering and thoughtful provoking words. Next, I am honored to invite Mr. Anand Baigade, sir, to share his perspective on this accelerating experience of innovation, intellect, and experience. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Hi. Good morning, everyone. It has been an absolute honor to be part of this vibrant and energetic e-hackathon as a judge. Over the course of this event, I had the privilege to witness an impressive display of talent, creativity, and problem-solving skills from all of you. The level of innovation and effort that each team has put in truly reflects the bright future that lies ahead for our young tech community. I would like to take this moment to extend my heartfelt appreciation to the entire organizing team for putting together such a well structured, inspiring, and smooth event. Organizing a hackathon, especially in a hybrid or virtual environment, takes tremendous effort, planning, and coordination. And this team has truly excelled. A very special thanks goes out to Someshri ma'am, Shri ma'am, Sakshi ma'am, and Shilpa ma'am, whose tireless efforts, seamless collaboration, and dedication behind the scenes ensured that everything ran like clockwork. From planning to execution, their leadership and commitment to excellence were clearly visible in every aspect of this event. Thank you for making this platform possible for the students to shine. To all the participants, I want to say this from the heart. Hackathons are not just competitions, they are learning accelerators. They push you to think outside the box, to collaborate under pressure, to turn ideas into prototypes. And that's what real world problem solving is all about. I urge you all to continue this momentum. Start building things early. Don't wait for the perfect idea or the perfect moment. Whether it's a small app, a script, a game, or a startup, building, experimenting, and learning from failures is the best way to grow in today's fast changing world. As we close this chapter of the hackathon, I want to extend a big vote of thanks to all the mentors, volunteers, coordinators, and supporters who made this event a grand success. And to each of you, whether you were a winner today or not, remember the experience you gained is priceless. I wish you all the very best in your future endeavors and career. Keep coding, keep dreaming, and never stop building. Thank you and congratulations to everyone.
Thank you so much, sir, for your insightful and encouraging words.
To begin this wonderful celebration of success and innovation, we now welcome the true guiding force of our institution, a leader who inspires progress, encourages creativity, and believes in the power of young minds. Sir has always led with wisdom, kindness, and a strong vision for the future. His support has helped many students and faculty as well to turn dreams into reality. We now invite the heart and soul behind the progress of this institution, the one who believes in pushing the boundaries and empowering the young mind. May I now request Professor Dr. Suresh Joshi, our respected director sir, to share few words of encouragement and vision with us.
Okay. Thank you so much, Sri. For your very, very heavy and kind words. Honestly speaking, you spoke a lot. So I don't know whether I live up to those expectations, but even if I could not, then definitely I would try my level best in the future. So, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I welcome you all for this, the new kind of initiative that was taken up, by GLA Online University here. And I mean, and successfully conducting each and every event of this whole organizing team, they deserve my compliments. That's the first thing that I would like to say. Honestly speaking, that was really just speechless. Point to point and event to event. This idea, this thought started way back in the brain, in the mind of our CEO, sir. I mean, Neeraj Agrawal. So he kept mentioning these things. E-hackathon for several years. Then after that, we picked up that word from somewhere and we said, sir, let us try this, this time. And I spoke once to Soumya. It was a very, very casual and very, very, like an informal discussion, honestly speaking. So, but she took, that whole idea exactly as it is. What was there in the brain, in my brain, what was there in the brain of our CEO, sir. This happens, ladies and gentlemen, when you exactly pick the idea, and you can exactly pick the idea only when you are associated with that idea, plus you match that frequency, see, when we are in conversation. So from there, she brought in 2 3 rounds of presentations to me. I said, let us just, I would like to see. So after some time, she brought in another colleague of her. Into the picture, Dr. Sakshi. Then after that, two more, she said, I will engage my whole team of IT department in here. Shrey, Aditya, then Shilpa. And see that what actually happened, that small idea, the idea wasn't small actually. So now when we see that idea flourished, coming into the picture, and delivered, then we feel like, oh, this was not a small idea. It was actually a big idea. As one of the guests, one of the judges said, ideas are never small. See, and they have put in a lot of effort into it. So, ladies and gentlemen, they deserve my compliment. Thank you so much. I shouldn't thank you because you are the part of GLA University Online, right? But the thing is, you deserve my compliments. The whole team, the later on, who all have involved themselves, like Aditya, Shrey, and other people. I won't be able to name each and everyone, but you plus technical team, definitely the team of production, they have who have been designing Sarit. I think those who were designing all the layouts and in and out all the time, and getting those designs and everything approved from a kind of little bit psyche director is not an easy task, ladies and gentlemen. See, every time you will see, even if you just miss the comma. I'm trying to leave my that habit, but see, that happens. But ladies and gentlemen, you have been very, very patient and kind all the time in listening all the ideas. That was fantastic. That describes a fantastic team. That's number one. Second thing, I would like to thank both the judges. They have done a tremendous job, more than the job, ladies and gentlemen. All the skills and their expertise that they have brought in during assessment and during guiding our participants, that has been incredible. Honestly speaking, I have been listening from both the coordinators and all of them time to time. The fantastic job both of you have done, sir. We really thank you. I won't be able to compensate your time and effort, but the thing is, we would really like to thank you on behalf of the whole management and each and every one of us here. So hope one day we will be able to meet face to face at Greater Noida campus or maybe at Mathura campus. Definitely we will be in touch with you both. In addition, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank the chief guest and guest of honor of yesterday's program and today's program, Dr. Vinay Lawat. In a short span of time, he, graciously and kindly accepted our invitation. Dr. Vinay, we really thank you for that. And in the initial phase of the, that growth of this particular idea also, we took some help from him, then he guided us, so that all time effort and, the skill effectiveness, we can't reciprocate that, ladies and gentlemen, any cost. But you all have been incredible. That's one thing. Second thing, I would like to, I won't speak much about eHackathon because I'm not a computer guy, right? But I did some coding when I was in the US in 2 semesters. So that was just the basic kind of thing, right? It takes a lot of effort. I know that. And only smart people on this earth can code. Somebody said, I did not say that. I mean, smartness, can be at any point of time. You can show smartness anywhere. If you're aware, if you're, wake up all the time, then you are a smart person, right? If you are ready to get informed, ready to get educated, then you are a smart person, right? So, but it is heard that, Mark Zuckerberg, when he started, his Facebook idea, then he was considered as one of the smartest person in the group, right? So that from there, that notion developed. Actually, the smart people can code this and that. But honestly speaking, coding requires a logical thinking. This is what I believe. Right. You all have been very, very logical in writing your codes, designing your programs, and doing everything. So you are basically the future, and you are going to contribute to the growth and development of the vision of this country, honestly speaking. Right. Develop your own ideas, as one of the guests, judges said, rightly said. Develop, you are the entrepreneurs. Develop your own ideas. Today we see Paytm. Today we see Blinkit. Today we see Zomato. Those ideas have built somewhere at the back of their brain, right? Years back. Now we see Zomato on the screen, and we see that guy is earning too much of money. Oh, really? But to bring that particular idea into the picture, into the reality, he did a lot of effort. Right? He put in a lot of effort. So you all are also into the same line of thought. Another thing, all of you have been sending us testimonials. Ladies and gentlemen, I would humbly request you all, please talk about us. Usually what happens, see, people say, do not talk about people, talk to the people, see. But here we request you all that please talk about us. Please let us know how did we do and how we can improve next time. Next time we are trying to make it a little bit bigger. We will not restrict it only to GLA University. We will just open it. Now we have tested. The pilot program is successful, right? I'm not saying this. I won't, because I'm the part of the family. If I would say this, you will say, oh, come on. They did it and they are calling them. No. You will judge that. You will let us know that whether we, serve the purpose or not. But on the basis of your feedback, we will try to take it to the next level next time. Soon. We are not going to wait for long. So your testimonials are very, very important. And I would also request the organizing committee to take the testimonials of the judges also. They have already spent a lot of time. We really appreciate that. If you would say a few things, in black and white, that would really motivate us. Other than that, we would invite the winners, the people, those who have made a little bit difference. We will invite them on campus one day in one of the events that we are also working on, right? So our organizing committee members will be in touch with you soon. And at the last, I thought I'll speak very, very less, but I'm trying hard. So at the end, ladies and gentlemen, I would say to the faculty, to the organizers, as well as each and everybody who was associated with this particular program, you all are the ambassadors of the change, honestly, because you were able to create the difference. We don't need to create history, right? Not everybody is able to, kings and queens, they were able to create, but we can create the difference. If you are able to create the difference, then you are the ambassador of that particular change. With these words, I would thank you. And once again, I would thank the guest of the honor of today's event, Dr. Vinay Halawat. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation in such a short notice and guiding all of us. We are all kiddos. You have been guiding us, educating us. Thank you so much for that. All the best, ladies and gentlemen. And to the winners, congratulations. Names will be disclosed little later. And all those participants, who could not win this time, next time, that's you. All the best. Thank you so much. God bless all. God bless GLA.
Thank you, sir, for your empowering words. Your guidance, encouragement, and participation have been the backbone of this incredible experience. To all the participants, whether you backed a prize or not, know this: every keystroke you hit was a step towards your dream tomorrow. You are all champions of effort and growth. Dear learners, thank you for your energy and participation. Your ideas have lit up this event. Moving ahead to the award for the best innovation, a title that is reserved for someone whose originality and daring vision broke boundaries and set new benchmarks. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower, and today we applaud a true leader. I would now request Professor Dr. Suresh Joshi sir to kindly announce the winner.
Okay. So the award for best innovation goes to tick 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 tick. Okay. So I would just announce the name Seema. Do we have Seema in here? Can you just turn your video on? That's that's truly incredible. Do we have Seema here?
But she was here, but right now she's not here.
Oh, I mean, she is celebrating that moment already, you are saying?
No, she did not hear
She
the
knew that she would be
difference.
there. Can you please let her know that, I mean, she is one of the winners, and like if she can appear on the screen and like, take this, honor us, I mean, to just, call out her name, that would be great. So, Seema is the best innovator, right, of this particular event, ladies and gentlemen. So we can proceed further from here now.
Okay, so great ideas need powerful voices, and this next award celebrate exactly that. The best presentation award goes to someone who not only coded smartly but communicated clearly, confidently, and compellingly. It is not just about having the best idea; it is about inspiring others with it. I would now request sir to kindly announce the winner.
Okay. Thank you so much for honoring me with this. So the best presentation award. I mean, when this title was announced, I was thinking in my brain. I mean, really presentation? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, presentation is everything. You cook a nice food, but it was, I mean, like presented in very filthy manner. Half of the appetite goes off, right? So that's what presentation is really important in here. So I would straight away announce the name of the best presentation award goes to Chirag Soni. Do we have Chirag in here? He's also gone. I mean,
Chirag, please switch on your camera.
okay. Hello, Chirag. How are you?
Sir, I'm fine.
Oh, wow. You are such a lovely person. I mean, see, you are so smart and cute. Did anyone else tell you about that?
Sir, my name is Chirag Soni, and I'm very excited for this hackathon. So I'm fully excited for this. So
Yes, sir.
I'm
जी,
very means मैं अपना बेस्ट दिया था.
जी.
So मुझे
मैं
बहुत अच्छा
आपको
लग
ये
रहा
बोलने
है.
की कोशिश कर रहा है चिराग कि यू आर वेरी क्यूट एंड स्मार्ट पर्सन. किसी ने आपको ये बोला कि नहीं बोला?
No, sir, नहीं बोला.
अच्छा, नहीं बोला? Oh, this is the first time?
Yeah.
Come on.
Yes, sir, first time.
Oh, okay. Anyhow, so those people missed that opportunity. Anyhow, but we did not. We just caught it, right? Thank you so much, Chirag, for being one of the participants of this event, right? And so we can clap for him. And do we have Seema in here now? No, not yet. सीमा हैं तो एक बार उनको भी देख लेते हैं. उनसे 10 seconds उनसे बात कर लेते हैं.
She has joined. She has joined.
She has joined. Do we
Yes,
have
yes.
Seema? Ladies and gentlemen, with
Hello,
all
ma'am.
pride, hello. Where are you,
Good
Seema?
morning. Good morning, sir.
Please switch on your
Good
camera,
morning.
Seema. We can't see.
If you can, I mean,
Yeah.
whoa, wow. Good morning. So
Good
your
morning,
name
sir.
has been announced. Are you aware of it?
Actually, sir, I am available, but मुझे host नहीं किया गया था, तो मैं कर नहीं पाई थी.
हाँ. मैं आपको ये बोल रहा है कि आपका नाम अनाउंस हुआ था वन ऑफ द प्राइज विनर्स में. आप अवेयर थी इस बारे में? आपको मालूम था?
No, sir.
अभी नहीं पता? Okay, let us do the ceremony once again. Ladies and gentlemen, the award for the best innovation goes to Seema.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Would you like to say something? Just one line maybe? to us?
एक्चुअली सर मेरा अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा। बेस्ट जजेस ने काफ़ी सपोर्ट किया और फीडबैक भी
Wow.
मिले, और मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम हैकाथॉन में पार्टिसिपेट किया था, तो सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। और
जी।
जहाँ पर भी मुझे अपनी वीकनेस लगी, मैं उसको मतलब आगे प्रोग्रेस करूँगी और स्किल्स अपने इम्प्रूवमेंट करूँगी। काफ़ी अच्छा लगा सर।
आपने दो तीन चीजें जो बोल दी, मतलब यू जस्ट वॉन द हार्ट्स, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, राइट? आपने बोल दिया मेरे को अपनी वीकनेस लगी और मैं और इम्प्रूव करूंगी। आई मीन यू गॉट द बेस्ट इनोवेशन अवार्ड एंड स्टिल यू सेज दैट देयर वर सम वीकनेसेस। Honestly, that's being too modest, honestly speaking. And I see a long way in the future for you,
यस सर।
right? Nice to meet you and hope to meet you one day in campus in person.
थैंक
Thank
यू
you so
सर।
much, ladies and gentlemen. Now we can proceed further with the rest of the event. Thank you.
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you, sir.
Yep. And Seema and Chirag both, please stay if you can to listen to other, I mean, awards also. अब
Yes,
ऐसे
sir.
नहीं जाएंगे कि मेरा वाला हो
Sir,
गया
they
तो
are
अब
going to
मैं
present. Sir, they are going to.
okay, perfect. Let us see what innovations they did. Ji, please proceed further, Shri.
Yeah, yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So maybe Chirag, if you would wish to present your presentation and your working project, please you can demonstrate it. You can share your screen.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So,
Okay, okay.
have we given them any timeline, Shri?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They have been provided with 5 minutes and they
5
will
minutes?
sum up. Yes, sir.
Okay.
They will
Yes,
provide us with the problem statement, their innovative
Okay.
solution,
Okay.
and a demo.
Okay. Okay. Maybe 4 minutes, 1 minute question answers. We will ask many questions to you. Okay. Right? ठीक है चिराग?
yes,
हैं?
sir.
जी जी 4 मिनट में
Very-
आप अपना खत्म कर लीजिए फटाफट, ताकि हमारे पास मौका हो काफी क्वेश्चंस पूछने का। जी
Yes, sir. Sir, my screen is visible.
Yes, Chirag.
आई
Please,
थिंक
please.
यस, यस सर, प्लीज गो अहेड। वाह, कम ऑन गाइस, यू ऑल आर फैंटाबुलस।
Sir, so this is my project. 1 minute PPT is open.
Now you present it to everybody, especially to the judges and to the audience.
Okay.
I am invisible.
तो आई क्रिएटेड कोलेब्रेशन बोर्ड। मैंने कोलेब्रेशन बोर्ड बनाया है जिससे मतलब ऑल ऑफ देम कोलेबरेट कर सकते हैं मेरे वाइट बोर्ड के अंदर। सो मैं अपना प्रोजेक्ट बता रहा हूँ। ओके, दैट्स इट। माय नेम इज चिराग सोनी। फर्स्ट लॉगिंग दिस अकाउंट। ओके, तो दिस इज अ वाइट बोर्ड। ओके, 1 मिनट। दिस इज बैड फॉर जूम मीटिंग। ओके, शेयर वाला। ओके, यस सर। एंड ड्रॉ ऑफ समवन, कुछ भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे। एंड स्टिकी नोट्स बना सकते हैं हम अपने। दैट्स इट। हेलो। सबमिट असाइनमेंट at 6 p.m. Okay, whatever. Okay, and another sticky notes created. Okay, whatever. Hello. Okay, if I log out and दूसरे पर्सन से मैं लॉग इन कर रहा हूँ। दैट्स इट। दिस इज प्रेम। और मैं चिराग का भी देख सकता है स्टिकी नोट्स। हम आपस में कोलेबरेट भी कर सकते हैं। प्रेम ने अपना स्टिकी नोट्स बनाया। ओके, एंड दिस इज आई एम प्रेम। एंड इफ अगर स्टिकी नोट्स बहुत सारे हो जाए तो हम अपने फ्लो चार्ट्स में भी देख सकते हैं। तो आई गो टू फ्लो चार्ट्स एंड लॉग इन। ओके, आई थिंक प्रेम। ओके, तो प्रेम ने एक नोट बनाया था आई एम प्रेम। तो हम यहाँ से भी अपना देख सकते हैं स्टिकी नोट्स, बिकॉज यहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्टिकी नोट्स हो जाएंगे। दैट्स वाई। सो दिस इज माई प्रोजेक्ट कोलेब्रेशन बोर्ड। ओके, Hello, sir. You are, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank
Yes,
you,
yes, you're
Chirag.
audible, Chirag.
Yeah.
Sir,
Sir, over to you.
आपका mic
Sorry
mute है.
about that. Sorry about that. I mean, what I'm saying is, Chirag, whatever all you are saying, ये मेरे यहाँ से, I'm not a coding person. Initial coding, you might like to show the effort also behind this. Number one, number two, quickly, experts may make comments. I mean, like बाकी जो इस field के जो महारथी हमारे साथ बैठे हैं, वो इसमें comment कर सकते हैं कि ये तो पहले से था. चिराग इसमें नया क्या था? How if you are going to sell this idea to me as a sponsor, like मैं as a shark, मैं इसको क्यों स्पॉन्सर करूंगा? इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन अभी आने वाले हैं, है ना? तो थोड़ा सा एक झलक आप कोड की दिखा दीजिए, पीछे आपने क्या क्या कोडिंग की है, देन, है ना, उसके बाद देन क्वेश्चन बैकएंड. वाओ guys, you all are good.
I'm created backend, okay, and this is model. इसमें users का model सारा store होगा, okay, name, email, password, okay, और इन notes का reference होगा. जो user notes बनाएगा उसका reference, user ने कौन सी notes बनाए, तो एक created a branch, okay, and जितना भी data ये सब store होगा मेरे MongoDB database के अंदर, okay. This is a user data. I created 2 user, okay, Chirag Soni and Prem, okay. तो ये डेटा सारे यहाँ पे स्टोर हो रहा है एंड स्टिकी नोट्स यहाँ पे, ओके, ये स्टिकी नोट्स. सो आई एम अ प्रेम ने स्टिकी नोट्स बना एंड ऑल द डिस्प्ले ऑफ इन फ्रंट एंड. एंड मैंने ऑथेंटिकेशन का भी यूज किया है ताकि जो हमारी जो साइट्स है वो सिक्योर हो सके. टोकन्स का यूज किया मैंने बेसिकली, एंड परफॉर्मिंग राउट, ताकि हम एक दूसरे राउट से जा सकते हैं अपन. पोस्ट गेट डिलीट एंड दिस इज यूटिल्स फोल्डर, जिससे हम अपना जो टोकन होता है लॉगिन का वो हम जनरेट करवा सकते हैं, ओके. एंड दिस इज सर्वर फोल्डर.
Oh, come on. It's a lot of effort. See?
Yes, sir.
Now let us quickly hear from the judges who guided you or who mentored you. उनकी तरफ से सुन लेते हैं कि एक आध क्विकली कि I mean how this project is different than other projects. कि बेस्ट वे आपने बेस्ट प्रेजेंटेशन या बेस्ट उसका आपने दिया तो कैसे दिया, मतलब मैं वो हम थोड़ा जानना चाहते हैं कि how I mean from the judges or anyone or from the organizing team or anyone, या जो हमारे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर हैं सर, यदि आपसे भी हम थोड़ा जान लें कि मतलब इसको बेस्ट प्रेजेंटेशन क्यों दिया गया होगा, मतलब कि ताकि हमारी थोड़ा नॉलेज भी बढ़ेगी.
I'll take over. So this collaboration board. So normally it is not easy to do it everything in one day. So what he has achieved is very remarkable. So unless and until you have an explicit knowledge of WebSocket and everything, you cannot achieve that in one day. So even if this might seem very naive, but it is very difficult and it is very detailed. Once he just tries to fix some UI and UX. So I think there are some apps like Lucid app, and then there are some apps like Figma and everything. So that is used for collaboration, but none of this are from Indian things. So I think Chirag can create something which is free for Indian users, and most of the other apps are paid. So he can create something which is free and which is available to everyone for use, so they can collaborate with each other for all the projects. So that is what Chirag did.
Chirag, now this is the authentication. See, now when it comes from the expert, abhi now, wow. We can clap for Chirag now. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Anandji, thank you so much. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, Chirag. You can stop sharing.
Congratulations. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, moving on to Seema. Seema, would you like to present your innovative project? How you have built the resume using AI?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
See, till the time Seema gets in, ladies and gentlemen, this is the beauty of online education. See, we have several, learners. They look very calm and composed on screen, but the magic they create, through the, come on. I mean, you all are the best. Please, over to you.
दिस इज माय बेसिक प्रोजेक्ट स्ट्रक्चर। और सर इसमें मैंने नेक्स्ट जेएस और जावास्क्रिप्ट यूज की है, और डिजाइनिंग के लिए टेलविन सीएसएस यूज किया है। और इसमें मैंने कंपोनेंट स्ट्रक्चर बनाया, उसमें मैंने अपनी 3 फाइल्स रखी हैं। अपलोड फॉर्म, इसमें मैंने सर इनपुट, एक इनपुट यूज किया है और एक बटन। और सजेशन में जैसे अगर मैं उसको अपलोड रिज्यूम को करती हूँ, एक जब मैं अपने रिज्यूम को सिलेक्ट करूंगी फिर उसको अपलोड करूंगी, तो एआई से हमें कुछ सजेशन मिलेंगे कि उसमें क्या वीकनेस है, क्या हम ऐड कर सकते हैं, और क्या एरर मैसेज है, इस टाइप से सर। और ये सर पेज डॉट जेएस मेरा मेन कंपोनेंट है, जो ब्राउजर में होम पेज शो हो रहा है यूआई के थ्रू। और एपीआई में मैंने राउट एपीआई यूज की है, ओपन राउटर डॉट एआई। ये एपीआई सर यूज की है, इसको पोस्ट मेथड से अगर हम हिट करते हैं, इसकी रिक्वेस्ट जाएगी और एआई हमें सजेस्ट करेगा कि आपके रिज्यूम में क्या वीकनेस है, क्या हम ऐड कर सकते हैं। और उस तरीके से यूजर्स अपना डिसाइड कर सकते हैं कि मुझे अपना रिज्यूम कैसे क्रिएट करना है, ताकि उसे जॉब के लिए हेल्प हो सके। और इसकी आउटपुट सर, मैम स्क्रीन दिख रही है आप?
Maybe you can close it and then you can share the entire screen.
ओके मैम। सर मैंने अभी लोकल होस्ट पे इसको रन कर रखा है स्क्रीन को। कमांड्स npm run dev हम यूज करते हैं, और लोकल होस्ट बाय डिफॉल्ट 3000 पोर्ट पे ये रन हो रही है। और मैंने इसको डिप्लॉय किया है होस्ट वर्सल पे। ये मेरा डिप्लॉयमेंट लिंक है। और इसमें चूज ए फाइल, इसमें मैं अपनी फाइल चूज करती हूँ जो पीडीएफ के फॉर्मेट में है रिज्यूम। इसको ओपन किया, और जैसे ही मैं अपलोड रिज्यूम करती हूँ तो यहाँ पे एआई के सजेशन दिखेंगे कि हम अपने रिज्यूम में क्या क्या ऐड कर सकते हैं, कहाँ पे हमारी वीकनेस है, ताकि हम जॉब के लिए हमें अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रोवाइड हो सके। हाँ सर, इतना ही बस।
I have no words. I mean, like one of the mentors, they can jump in and they can make comments. फिर हम चिराग से पूछेंगे, चिराग ये इनोवेटिव था कि नहीं था?
यस सर, इनोवेटिव था।
कैसे?
तो इसमें जैसे कि हम अपना रेज्यूमे देन अपलोड एंड वो हमें सजेशन देगा कि और इम्प्रूव कैसे कर सकते हैं रेज्यूमे को।
थोड़ा डिफरेंट आइडिया तो है, I mean, there is no
Yes.
doubt. Wow, I mean, like one of the mentors, please.
Sir, I would like to support her in the facts. There were so many ideas, and there are so many sites where we upload our resume and they are being filtered. But
Right.
there is no AI-powered solution where suggestion could be given based on what are the weaknesses in the resume and how can we make it more compelling so that the companies, the institutes, they can prefer or they can highlight their profiles. So generally what happens on naukri.com or LinkedIn or via Indeed, they filter the profile based on certain skill parameter, but they do not suggest what keywords we need to add into our resume based on a smart assistant. So therefore it is AI powered resume assistant. And she tried to did it like she will add certain more UIs, more interfaces, but she did it in one go, so that was commendable.
Right. Yeah.
So we are really honored that both of you are a part of GLA and you did it. We are proud of you. Yeah. So moving further over to Shilpa ma'am.
And now the moment we all have been waiting for, the announcement of the winners of GLA eHackathon 2025. So now learners, are you all excited?
Yes, ma'am.
Learners, are you all excited?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I would request Professor Dr. Vinay Alawat sir to kindly announce the result of this thrilling GLA eHackathon 2025. Let's begin this celebration of brilliance with the second runner-up, a team creativity, commitment, and not just of technical skills, but of collaboration, vision, and bold execution. Creativity is thinking up new things. Innovation is doing them. And this team did it with style. I now invite Professor Dr. Vinay Alawat sir to kindly do the honor and announce the team that won this recognition.
Morning, everyone. Good morning, Joshi sir. Thank you
Sir.
so much for inviting me as a guest of honor. And I'm really thrilled to see the version of eHackathon. Although I have been the part of several hackathons during last 4 to 5 years, but just organizing the eHackathon is really a commendable job you have done. And I was just listening to Chirag and Seema, and they made out these two small applications in a very short span of time, really very impressive. So this initiative is really very impressive for every online learner, and might possible it was a good experience for all the online learners as well. Now, as this is the time to announce the winners, so I would first of all announce the second runner-up of this event, who won this prize. It is Team 6, Raish Wadvia, Paras Tyagi, and Tawfiq Ahmed. Congratulations to you all as a second runner-up. So now this is the time to announce the first runner-up of the event.
Sir, sorry to interrupt you in between, sir. The students have really worked hard and they would like to demonstrate their working in between.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
congratulations, Team 6.
Thank you,
request
thank you, sir.
Team
Thank you,
6.
everyone.
So do we have Team 6 over there? All of them?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So I request Team 6 to take the stage and demonstrate their incredible work that earned them this account.
Yes, ma'am.
All three of you, please switch on your cameras. Quickly explain your topic and innovative solution.
Right.
So,
Turn your
so
cameras
Topic
on.
my screen is visible, ma'am, sir?
Yes,
Yes,
it is visible.
yes.
Please turn your cameras on, all of you.
Okay. So, sir, our topic is ego track, and this is our landing page. So, first of all, let me show coding work. Wait, sir, 1 second. So, my screen is visible, VS Code.
Yes, it is visible, Paras.
सो हमने अपने फ्रंट एंड में हमने रिएक्ट 18 यूज किया है एंड SCS एंड टेलविंड यूज किया है ताकि हमारा पूरा रेस्पॉन्सिवनेस बनी रहे एंड इसमें हमारा ये फ्रंट एंड है जिसमें हमारे ये कंपोनेंट्स बनाए हैं एंड इसमें हमने ऑथेंटिकेशन पे पूरा ध्यान दिया है जिसके लिए हमने ऑथ रैपर में लॉगिन एंड साइन अप फॉर्म को लिया है ताकि कोई हमारे साइट को बाईपास करके हमारे डैशबोर्ड तक ना जा पाए एंड हमारा ये चैटबॉट है जिसका कोड ये है चैटबॉट को हम दिखाएंगे आपको वेबसाइट पे एंड ये डैशबोर्ड है जिसमें हमने पूरे ऑप्शंस वगैरह सब यूज किए हैं जिसमें हम उसको बैकएंड से क्वेरी लेके पूरा उसका जो भी आउटपुट होगा एंड यूजर इनपुट होगा वो पूरा यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड करवाएंगे एंड ये हमारा app.js है जिसमें हमने पूरे कंपोनेंट्स को कनेक्ट किया हुआ है एंड हमने इसमें ऑथेंटिकेशन पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया है ताकि कोई भी दिक्कत ना आए उसमें यूज़र को अपनी डिटेल्स वगैरह सेव करने में एंड कुछ भी यूज़ करने में एंड ये हमारा बैकएंड है जिसमें हमने पाइथन यूज़ किया है ये हमारा पाइथन है जिसमें हमने फास्ट API यूज़ किया है इससे हमारा बैकएंड काफ़ी फास्ट चलता है एंड हमने डेटाबेस के लिए MongoDB यूज़ किया है ताकि जो भी डेटा रहेगा हमारा वहाँ पे सेव हो पाए एंड हम तुरंत उसको फैच करके अपने फ्रंट एंड पे शो कर पाए एंड अब मैं अपना वो साइट दिखाता हूँ साइट को हमने नेटलीफाई पे डिप्लॉय किया है एंड बैकएंड को हमने रेंडर पे डिप्लॉय किया है तो बैकएंड का URL हमने नेटलीफाई के ये जो भी API से उस पर कनेक्ट कर दिया था तो ये हमारा लैंडिंग पेज है यहाँ पे से भी हमारा फॉर्म दिया हुआ है जहाँ पे हम साइन अप कर सकते हैं इसमें हम अपना नेम डालते हैं मैंने अपने ऑलरेडी साइन अप किया हुआ, तो मैं वहीं से दिखा देता हूँ आपको। यहाँ से हमारा साइन इन हो जाएगा, एंड ये हमने यूज़र ऑथेंटिकेशन बहुत सिक्योर किया है ताकि उसमें कोई भी दिक्कत ना आए। ये हमारा डैशबोर्ड है जहाँ पे हमारा यूज़र का नेम दिखाएगा, एंड हमने कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ पहले से डाली हुई थी कल की, और आज कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ हम डालेंगे, जिसमें हमें यहाँ पे यूज़र का यूज़ दिखा रहा है। हमने जो भी कार्बन के कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ डाले थे उनका आउटपुट बता रहा है कि हमने क्या क्या यूज़ किया था और कितना कार्बन का इम्पैक्ट पड़ा है। एंड ये हमारा ग्राफ है जिसमें हमारी एक्टिविटीज़ के हिसाब से ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का 7.50 kg CO2 दिखा रहा है, एंड एनर्जी का 0.80 kg CO2 दिखा रहा है, एंड फूड का 3.30 kg CO2 दिखा रहा है। एंड यहाँ पे हमारी रिसेंट एक्टिविटीज़ हैं जो हमने एक्टिविटीज़ यहाँ पे डाली थी। एंड यहाँ पे हमारा इसमें चैटबॉट है, यहाँ चैटबॉट है जहाँ पे हमारा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल चैटबॉट एक मैसेज करता है जिसमें हमारा नाम देता है, एंड वो हमसे कुछ भी पूछने के लिए कहता है। तो हम जैसे से पूछते हैं, हाउ कैन आई रिड्यूस माई कार्बन फुटप्रिंट, तो ये हमें पूरा प्रॉपर हमारी जो भी समरी है, जो भी हमारा डेटा है उसके पास है, उसके बिहाफ पर ये पूरा का पूरा एक रिपोर्ट बताता है। एंड जैसे उसने बताया कि हमारा फुटप्रिंट टुडे इज 8.42 kg, जो हमारा ये है आज के हिसाब से, उसने हमें पूरी एक समरी बना के दे दी है। एंड जैसे मैं इससे पूछूंगा व्हाट्स माई लास्ट एक्टिविटी, तो ये उसका भी पूरा बता देगा। सो हमारी लास्ट एक्टिविटी आज की थी जुलाई 20, जो हमने मीट मील पे हमने किया था जिसमें 3.3 kg ऑफ CO2 उसका इम्पैक्ट हुआ था। अब मैं आपको एक्टिविटी लॉग एक्टिविटी कैसे करते हैं वो दिखा देता हूँ। जैसे हमारी एक्टिविटी में हमने ऑप्शंस दिए हैं, कार, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये ट्रांसपोर्ट है, एनर्जी है, एंड फूड है। हम ट्रांसपोर्ट में जैसे वो यूजर ने उसने कार डीजल यूज किया, एंड मान लीजिए वो आज 2 किलोमीटर चला, तो पहले तो ये CO2 इम्पैक्ट दिखा देगा कि इससे कितना इम्पैक्ट हुआ, 0.36 kg इम्पोर्ट हुआ। हम डिस्क्रिप्शन में कुछ भी डाल सकते हैं, वो ऑफिस के लिए गया, एंड हमें ऐड एक्टिविटी कर देंगे। एंड मान लीजिए वो एक एक्टिविटी के साथ अगर वो खाने की भी एक्टिविटी डालना चाहता है जिसमें वो वेजिटेरियन मील डाल देता है, एंड उसने 2 मील्स खाई, तो 2 मील्स के हिसाब से एक इम्पैक्ट, एक सजेशन बताएगा ये 1.80 kg का इम्पैक्ट हुआ। एंड हमने 2 एक्टिविटीज में डाल दी जिसका एक समरी बन के आ गई है इधर, एंड हम इनको सबमिट एक्टिविटीज कर देंगे जो प्रोसेस हो जाएगी, एंड हमारे बैकएंड से फैच होके यहाँ पे अपडेट हो जाएगी। तो इसमें ये हमें दिखा रहा है कि आज के हिसाब से हाई इम्पैक्ट है, एंड इसके लिए हमें अल्टरनेटिव्स कंसीडर करने पड़ेंगे। एंड यहाँ पे हमारा वीक का रिपोर्ट बताता है, एंड यहाँ पे हमारा टोटल एक्टिविटीज बताता है कि हमारी अभी तक कितनी एक्टिविटीज हुई हैं, और यहाँ पे हमारा मंथ के हिसाब से एक एवरेज बताता है। एंड हम इससे फिर एआई से पूछ सकते हैं कि हम कैसे अपना जैसे हम अपनी रिपोर्ट को एक्सप्लेन करवाते हैं, तो ये एक्सप्लेन करेगा।
हाँ।
तो इसने यू हैव एमिटेड 10.58 kg ऑफ CO2। आज का ही हमने इसने हमारा आज का बता दिया, एंड ओवर द पास्ट वीक योर टोटल इज 13.76, एंड हमने हमारा ये पूरा डिटेल बता देगा। एंड हमने इसका रेस्पॉन्सिवनेस भी बनाया ताकि मोबाइल में भी अच्छे से चले।
ओ
तो ये
वाह,
हमारा मोबाइल का रेस्पॉन्सिवनेस है,
फैंटास्टिक।
जिसमें हमारा ग्राफ यहाँ पे आएगा। ग्राफ के लिए यूजर यहाँ पे क्लिक करके देख सकता है, जिसमें हमारा यहाँ पे इसका दिखाएगा ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का 7.86 है, ये ऐसे डिटेल्स आएगा, एंड यहाँ पे रिसेंट एक्टिविटीज आएंगी, एंड चैटबॉट यहाँ पे ऐसे वर्क करेगा। अगर हम चैटबॉट को रिफ्रेश करना चाहते हैं तो यहाँ से हम रिफ्रेश कर सकते हैं, एंड फिर हम दोबारा से एक क्वेरी डालेंगे तो एकदम वही रिपोर्ट देगा जो हमारी समरी में है, जो हमारी रिपोर्ट गई है इसके पास। ये चैटबॉट हमने ऑफिशियली इसी के लिए बनाया था अलग से।
क्या बात है।
दैट्स ऑल सर।
Chirag and Seema first. Any comments?
यस बहुत सर, वेरी सब अच्छा बना है सर, वेरी फैंटास्टिक। सो आई पर्सनली सर 5 out of 5 मार्क्स फॉर दिस प्रोजेक्ट।
थैंक
क्या
यू
बात
सर।
है। वाह वाह वाह, दैट्स द स्पोर्ट्समैनशिप। I mean, see, तो ये बेटर है। I mean, life is getting better every day, at every
यस सर।
step. This is what I'm trying to understand. I am really excited. मुझे तो ये सोच रहा हूँ कि अब जो फर्स्ट प्राइज होगा वो क्या देखने को मिलेगा। Guys, you all have done a fantastic job. Honestly speaking, I see a bright future for all of you. Honestly,
थैंक यू सर।
yeah. कमाल है। एक्सपर्ट्स यदि कोई यदि कुछ अपना आशीर्वाद देना चाहें तो आप प्लीज दीजिए, फिर हम आगे बढ़ें, अदरवाइज।
All the
Sir,
projects are really, sir, good, sir. मतलब कि I am surprised कि they made it in 12 hours only. Because
I mean,
I'm a
आपको ज्यादा
technical
हाँ
person,
वही
I'm a
जी जी
developer, so I know how much it takes to make out a backend, write the front end code with a good user interface.
जी I mean, this is really nice. See, it looks. I feel like what that all data has to be there. I mean, at the back, because the thing is, at the front we only see the front screen. See, कि कितना calculation करके आ रहा है. That we can see. I mean, back end पे it requires a lot of effort, definitely.
sir,
Okay.
they are a team of 3 people, Raish Vadvia, Paras Tyagi, and Tawfiq. So
So do
they
we have
were,
all of them here?
yes, sir.
Can we see all of them here on the
Yes, sir.
screen? Oh
Raish and
wow!
Tawfiq, it would be good if you would just greet sir so that.
Yes, to everybody, ladies and gentlemen, if you simply say hi and just tell your name or it would be
Hello,
great.
sir. My name is Paras Tyagi.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Raish
please go
and
ahead.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, sir.
Okay, right.
My name is Rais. I am
रईस
Bharat.
ओके क्या बात है आपका तो नाम ही इतना कमाल है मतलब कि क्या बोलेंगे है ना तौफीक इज देयर एंड हु इज द फोर्थ वन
sir, 3 people.
Three
my
people.
you all have created a magic yeah. Honestly I mean very nice
All
thank
of
you
you
so
three
much
worked
Thanks.
remotely, I think.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Again, a commendable कि
Remotely.
in a group, they are at the
Yes.
remote places and then they are developing a one project all together.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So we use GitHub to collaborate.
Git and GitHub to collaborate in this
Yes.
project.
अच्छा oh wow
Yes, sir.
That's a great thing you have done.
right
Thank you so much.
yeah yeah
So it's
Thanks,
the
sir.
sir.
yeah yeah
I would like to
I'm
add. Yeah, I would
yes
like.
yes sir please yeah Anand ji please बताएं
I would
sir
like to add some things about this though. So
Yes,
there
sir.
जी
were some, yes, so there were some electricity issues this group was facing yesterday in their hometown.
okay
Still they were able, yeah, still we were able to collaborate. And then again, we have even validated the backend MongoDB and everything. So it is not
wow
something we are only able to see everything is on front end. So the connections and everything is in place. So we are make
wow
sure that this is a complete project. It's not something we are only getting to see it on the front end.
wow
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, and both the judges. I mean, I am thinking of your hard work also. I mean, like, it's not an easy thing. I mean, like, किसी को evaluate करना, good, great, nice बोल देना is a different thing. But I mean, evaluating this stuff, see, I mean, come on, it's not easy. Thank you so much, sir, both of you. And yeah, I see the future, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, like, मुझे ऐसा I'm not seeing the present right now. I'm seeing 5, 10, 15, 20 years down the line, the future. It's really bright, honestly speaking. Wow. Oh, thank you, Aditya. You are doing a fantastic job there. Congratulations भी आ गया आपके लिए देखिए screen पे.
Thank
Very
you,
nice.
sir.
जी. Good job. We can proceed further. Shi.
Now let us applaud the individual who coded with passion, thrived under pressure, and stood tall on the podium. He came, he coded, and he conquered. Success is not just about winning, it is about pushing the boundaries and showing up with relentless drive. I'll now request Professor Dr. Vinay Alawat sir to kindly announce the first runner-up.
So it's again now the time to see another good project by the student. So first runner-up award goes to Kartikeya Sharma. Congratulations, Kartikeya.
Kartikeya, are you here?
Wow.
Kartikeya Sharma, are you here?
Please,
So,
please.
okay, perfect.
Please unmute yourself, Kartikeya.
Okay. Kartikeya, are you facing some connectivity issue?
Please try now. Please try now. Yes.
Okay, perfect.
It was not letting me
Okay.
turn on my audio. Sorry. So I have created it. Let me share my screen. Can you see this?
Yes, it is coming up. Soumya and Shri, Amit is raising his hand. Can you just speak to him, like, privately, what he is going
Yes.
to talk about?
Okay,
Then we
sir.
can, request him to just get in. Yeah.
Okay.
Until then, we will see the project. Yes, Karthikeya. Congratulations,
So,
first of all. Yes, please go ahead.
so I have created this project legalese. It's to understand any contract in plain English. So the problem is many people sign the legal documents without even understanding them, and that gets them in financial or other consequences of troubles, etc. So our solution is we use this AI management. We upload a document to legalese, and AI summarizes whatever the contract is saying in layman terms, and you can even ask it questions to like how this is and that is related. Like I'll show you them. So I have uploaded a rental agreement. It takes a bit to analyze the document. So our document is analyzed, it's on the left side, and the summary is on the right side. As you can see, it's fully summarized here. We can read on the left and see the summary on the right. If we have any doubts, we can also question. Do you want to ask any doubts to this? Like, do you want to ask any questions to this? Sir?
Only experts can do that. We are just speechless. See, we are seeing everything happening in front of us. Judges and
So
our
let's
guest.
ask this: how much is? Let's ask this: how much is our monthly rent in this document? It will think and reply. The monthly rent is $685. And we could ask other questions like what happens if our is late, rent is late. So if our rent is late, we have to pay an additional $25 fees. So if you like the summary, you can also print this out.
So, Karthikeya, which AI model did you use?
I use Gemini.
Gemini, okay.
Vinay, sir, actually,
So,
Gemini is the only freely available model. So,
yeah.
other ones are paid ones. So,
Mhm.
initially started with Gemini. We have even suggested him to you upload it on Claude, then ChatGPT, and
Mhm.
Grok. And you try all those things, and whichever is better, you try to refine it.
Hmm.
So that's how my project works. It's simple and yet usable. You can also expand it, scale it further, like ask it to create documents for us too.
Good work done, Karthikeya.
Wow. This
Thank
is,
you.
slowly things are getting beyond of our my brain. Honestly, जैसे जैसे ना लेवल बढ़ता जा रहा है, वैसे वैसे चीजें मेरी समझ से बाहर होती जा रही हैं. बट लेकिन ठीक है, बट आई एम एंजॉयिंग दिस. कमाल है, मतलब हाउ दिस ऑल इज डन. है वेरी गुड. गुड जॉब कार्तिकेय. वेरी गुड जॉब. Congratulations. Yep.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. We are seeing only the output. The back end things. Only either the experts or better. Yeah, very nice. Congratulations. Now it has come from Aditya. Oh, wow. Ji.
And now, the moment we all are waiting for, the crown jewel of this celebration, the team that turn lines of code into waves of change and ideas into impact. So, all the participants, are you excited? Are you all ready to hear the name of the winners?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, champions are not made in the spotlight, they are made in the honor of quiet, focused work and unshakable determination. This individual stood apart with their powerful code, clear vision, and electrifying energy. It gives me immense pride to request Professor Dr. Vinay Alawat sir to declare the champion of GLA eHackathon 2025.
So this is the most awaiting time for me as well to see the final project as who is the champion, what exactly that winner made him as a champion. So for the champion award for this GLA eHackathon 2025 is Rana Karmakar. Congratulations,
Wow.
champion.
Oh, wow.
So, a thunderous round of applause for our hackathon winner.
So
Now,
do we have
Hello,
him
am I audible?
here? Yes. Congratulations, Rama.
Rana, please switch
Wow.
on your camera.
It's
Please tell.
camera is on, sir.
Oh, wow.
Thank you so
Rana
much, sir. I'm really
Karmakar.
excited.
Rana.
Ah.
Sir, this is my first hackathon, sir. This is my first hackathon.
Oh, okay.
Rana, please showcase the masterpiece that earned
Sure,
them
sir.
this prestigious title.
Sure, sir. Just give me a moment. Is it visible, sir?
Yes, it is.
Just a minute. The project that I made, which is stock sentiment analyzer. Sir, in this world, everyone is going to the AI, but I gone to the next level like generative AI. I have used generative AI technologies here
Mhm.
to get stock news,
Mhm.
stock comparison, recommendation, and other the things. And I'm really thanks to all of you to conducting this amazing hackathon. The efforts, especially is e-hackathon, it takes too much efforts. Thank you, sir, for conducting this, and thanks to my other teammates and all. So let's start with the project. So this is the chat interface. If you ask anything here, just hi. It will give you the proper answer. You can see, hello, how can I assist you? Do you have a specific question about stock market or particular company? Now let's say we can start like, what's today's news? What it will do in internally, it will search the result on the internet. It will get the data. It will verify all the things, and it will return in a linguistic way. You can see there
Wow.
is a 4 article is there.
So this all information is authentic, you are saying?
Don't go onto the UI, just see the
Ah,
outputs and all. The main thing
okay.
I focused on the outputs. Here
Okay.
I can ask other questions. Recommend me to stocks
Mm.
on automobile sector with low velocity. What it will do, it will search into the internet, it will take the
Okay.
data, and it will return. So there are some limitations are there. You can see it given me two stocks data, which is totally on the automobile sector, the current price, market capitalization, and everything. So this is the small thing. Let's go to the go to the
I mean,
code.
so this all information is authentic, you are saying?
Sir, it's totally authentic. I'm using
Okay.
some APIs
Okay.
to get the data.
So so it means this is trustworthy data.
Yes, sir. This is third-party
Oh,
data, open
wow.
source data, sir.
Come on.
This is openly source data. If we need more clarity data, that time I need to pay some money to get proper data.
Definitely.
And the flow is like you can see here, the graph. This is the start point where user put the prompt. After that, it will go to the assistant, and it is consist the model. The model, the provider is Facebook Llama. Model name is Llama 70 billion parameter, and the provider is Celebras API providers. and it's really faster. It's faster than ChatGPT and all, the response time. After giving the response to the assistant, the LLM will decide which tool to call. There is some tools are there, like get stock news, get Indian stock prices. There's two tools are there. Here, the assistant will decide which tool to call. The code makes intelligent. I'm really sorry, sir. After that, the tools will provide the response to the model. The model will take the response and it will generate in a linguistic way and it will return to the user. This is the total workflow here. And for the code, I used Python. The code is totally Docker ready. Used also env files are also there. Some of the tools I have used here. To fetch the news, I used web scraping from Google, and yeah, git ignores and all the securities are here. And yeah, sir, do you have any question, or if you want to explore this thing?
First questions should come from your, other participants. How do they feel? From Chirag, Seema, and the coffee team and the other participant who won the other prize. First they should comment, then we will continue.
Sure.
क्या कहना चाहते हैं sir? Please go ahead. First runner-up, second runner-up, they would like to say something. ये
Yeah,
मॉडल
guys.
आपके मॉडल से बेटर है कि नहीं है?
अच्छा है, प्रोजेक्ट अच्छा है.
Sir, what I like about this is that it is faster than GPT.
Oh, wow. Rana, what are you doing? Come on.
Sir,
You are
I
a
have
multi-millionaire already.
Sir, I have one other project here that I used here. You can get this URL and you can see the response here. Okay, just let me type one thing.
Wow. So first runner-up कौन थे? कार्तिकेय हैं हमारे साथ.
Sir, I just put the question.
कार्तिकेय.
See the speed.
Where is Kartikeya? Kartikeya,
Yes,
you would like
yes.
to say something? कुछ अपना विचार कुछ व्यक्त करेंगे सर? क्या चल रहा है? What is happening on the screen right now?
See the speed.
Yeah, it's definitely good. Next time I'll definitely pick a AI and LLM project to get first prize.
Because
So, Rana,
you
how
understand
But
these
he
big is
really
your
put effort.
database? Do you have any idea from where your all this prompt is searching the content? How big it is at the back end?
So you talk about the prompts, right, sir?
No, whatever the prompt you are giving, the query is searching.
Yes.
Right? And it is just collecting the data from so many servers. So I just want to know what is the big data size? Have you any idea?
So, sir, what is doing now? Whenever user put request, it goes to the assistant.
I got your point. Just come to back screen. You only use the one URL. Fine. Where it was the...
Sir, it's freely hosted. If you want to explore, I'm giving you, chat box.
उसमें सर वो एपीआई यूज किया है गूगल का, वही से उनके सर्वर से इंफॉर्मेशन आता है, वो यहाँ पे फैच होता है फ्रंट एंड पे.
Where is the chat box?
So that's was my question. Whenever you are just connecting with any backend or database, so you are just saying that you are using the Google.
I'm using, sir, APIs. The APIs provides the data.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
And one other things, for the news, I used web scraping.
Yes,
it scraps Google's data and returns. I have put some.
Whenever you do the web scraping, please go ahead.
Much data. I have calculated as per my sorry, sir, there is a network issue from my side, I think. Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, Rana, please go ahead. We can hear you. Okay. Yes. Please unmute yourself and go ahead.
So I calculated the server size and all for this use case, especially this use case.
Mhm.
And yeah, it's working fine. It can handle 1,000 user easily. And if you want to scale, we can scale it. Here you can see I used 1 minute. Config.
Wow.
Yeah, there is a 30 data it will take at a one time.
Good job, Rana. Congratulations.
Thank you
Yeah,
so
really
much, sir.
nice. Really
Thank you so
nice.
much, sir.
Yeah.
And anyone have any questions?
Yeah,
Or
I mean, like, judges might like to make quick comments because they are the ones who saw you just
So,
developing this all.
yeah, I like to comment something about this project. So this is a free API we are using. So 50% of the results are not that accurate. So once
Okay.
he puts on to the paid one, so
Okay.
he can get a better result. So but still,
Oh.
like most of the results are we are getting in the backend. So like suppose Rana, can you just comment like what can recommend 5 stocks for tomorrow? Can you just write it
sure,
down?
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, this is the result.
Yeah. So this is the result.
Sir, I use as
I think your voice is breaking now.
pay for that, and we have to pay to get. They would not allow. Sir, you have any other questions?
So we evaluated all the back like front end, back end, the presentation, the problem solving skill,
Right, right, right,
what
right,
problem
right,
it is solving, and all the
right.
parameters. This project stood out, and we thought that this has to be the best one.
Yeah, this is really fantastic. Yeah. Perfect. Good job,
Thank you so
Rana.
much.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah, 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 yeah. We
And,
can
and,
proceed
and,
further,
and the
Shay.
main and
Yeah.
the
Yeah,
main thing
yes.
and the main thing was that this was achieved within 12-hour timeline.
Definitely. I mean, that time constraint was really important. Yes, it is. Yeah.
So thank you, Rana, and thank
Thank
you,
you so
sir.
much.
The beauty of all the participants who have participated, they have addressed this change revolutionary that we are not driven by technology, rather we are using this technology wisely for making a change in future. So congratulations to all the winners. You are the proof that determination and innovation is transformation. Winning is not just about crossing the finish line, it is about the courage to start, the passion to preserve, and the resilience to rise when the code breaks. And to all the brilliant minds who dare to dream, who spend their entire day from sunlight to starlight, turning the ideas into innovations, know this that true champions are not only the one who always take prizes to their home, but those who code with heart, push boundaries, and inspire without the spotlight. So today you didn't just not participate, but you have lit the path for tomorrow. So maybe if you have not win, it is not if you have not win a prize, so it is not a failure, but it is a proud moment that yes, you can do it tomorrow. So kindly note all the participants that certificates will be sent to you via email within a week. So please keep an eye onto your inbox, and prize money for the winning teams will be credited to their bank accounts. So kindly we request all the winners to email their bank account to us at our official email address so that we can provide you that within 2 weeks. Over to you, Shilpa ma'am.
Thank you, Shreemam. Some leaders inspire by doing, others by guiding. And rare are those who do both. Our guest of honor is one of them. We are privileged to have Professor Dr. Vinay Alawat sir with us today. Sir is a seasoned digital learning strategist with over 25 years of expertise in educational technology integration, e-learning development, and the implementation of learning management system and ERP solutions. Renowned for his ability to transform academic institution, he leverages advanced digital technologies to enhance learning environment, streamline operations, and drive institutional growth. Sir has served as the Associate Director at Chandigarh University Online by leading comprehensive digital learning initiatives. His responsibilities include the integration of LMS and ERP system to optimize educational experience, boost student engagement, and improve institutional efficiency. Under his leadership, Chandigarh University has developed seamless e-learning platforms enhancing accessibility and student learning outcomes. Previously, Sir held the role of Associate Dean of IT Services and Head of IT Operation at the Kite Group of Institution, Ghaziabad. He spearheaded the development of IT services, ERP solution, and e-learning platform, significantly improving the institutional operational efficiency and strengthening its digital learning ecosystem. As General Manager of Smart City Modipur, Rampur, Sir implemented ERP solution to enhance urban administrative operations. His initiative streamlined public service delivery and optimized city management through digital integration. Earlier in his career, he served as assistant professor at the Kite Group of Institution. In addition to teaching responsibilities, he took on the role of director at GMAS Private Limited, a consultancy firm of Kite. He contributed to both academic and professional endeavors by designing innovative curricula, blending traditional and digital learning methods, and managing consultancy projects that bridge academic knowledge with industry practices. His academic achievements complement his practical expertise, establishing him as a leader in ERP development, LMS management, and the integration of technology in education. A relentless innovator, he continues to redefine the boundaries of digital learning to foster excellence in education. A true visionary, Sir stands at the forefront of digital transformation in academia, dedicated to redefining learning experience through purposeful innovation and forward-thinking leadership. Now I would request Professor Dr. Vinay Alawat sir to grace this session with his inspiring and motivational words. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Shilpa, for such an elaborative profile. So, good afternoon, everyone. So, if I say innovation is seeing what everybody has seen and thinking what nobody has thought. So, it gives me immense pleasure to be a part of the valedictory session of GLA eHackathon-2025, Fueling Ideas, Igniting Innovation, a phenomenal 12-hour non-stop virtual coding sprint that truly lived up to its name. First and foremost, my heartfelt congratulations to all the winners for their remarkable efforts and solutions. But I would especially like to applaud every single participant who dared to dream, code, collaborate, and create. Your enthusiasm and dedication made this event not just successful, but truly inspiring. A big round of appreciation is also to the organizing team, whose meticulous planning and execution ensured a seamless experience for all. Because organizing such an event is not at all easy for the online mode. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to Dr. S.C. Joshi sir, Director CDOE GLA Online, for inviting me as a guest of honor. I have had the privilege of working with Dr. Joshi sir and can confidently say that his visionary leadership, infectious energy, and deep expertise in instructional designing are shaping the future of online education in India. Organizing this hackathon for online learners is a trailblazing initiative, and I truly commend his foresight. This eHackathon was not just an event, it was an experience, starting from the initial idea of bridging the gap between the online learning and real world application to bringing together students from across the country in a shared virtual space. This event showcased the power of collaborative learning, creative thinking, and problem solving at whatever the projects has been demonstrated by the students. It's really a live and good example of the collaborative learning, and one of the great advantage we can say from the traditional learning to the online education. And in just 12 hours we witness online learners evolve into solutions architects, building prototypes, writing lines of code, and pitching ideas that could potentially drive innovation in various sectors. We all understand the unique challenges of engaging online learners, dispersed geographies, varying time zones, and diverse learner profiles. So, traditional classroom engagement models often fall short in the digital space. That's where events like this hackathon become game changers. And truly, congratulations to the GLA Online for organizing such an game changing event. And definitely, it would be a torchbearer for the other organizations as well. They foster the community among online learners who often study in isolation. They bring real world application to the theoretical knowledge. They encourage peer to peer learning, leadership, and teamwork skills that are essential for the 21st century workforce. In today's dynamic educational landscape, it is essential to continuously evolve. It is an absolute honor to address such a dedicated and forward thinking group of learners who have chosen to embrace the power of online education. In today's fast evolving world where education, knowledge knows no boundaries, your decision to pursue learning through online platforms speaks volumes about your adaptability, resilience, and commitment to personal growth. Online education is not just about convenience, it is about taking control of your future, breaking traditional barriers, and empowering yourself with the tools to thrive in the digital age. As you navigate this journey, remember success in online learning demands discipline, curiosity, and a very proactive mindset. It allows you to learn at your pace, yet it also challenges you to stay focused and self driven. Make the most of this flexibility, engage deeply with your mentors, collaborate with your peers, and apply your learning beyond the screen. As you know, there are so many modern and impactful tools are also there where you can practice your engagement, just like there are the gamification platforms like Classcraft, Quizy, and Kahoot to make the learning interactive and fun. You can just go there and you can learn or enhance your skills. Similarly, nowadays there is the another term which is very popular, project based learning tools. So, this era is about a skill based education, not about a theoretical or how many marks you are attaining into an examination. It is totally which kind of the solutions you can just provide to the society. So for the project based learning, there are Trello, Miro, and GitHubs are there to facilitate the collaboration and the agile thinking. Similarly, as today, as I have seen so many projects related to the AI. So there are the AI powered learning assistant tools as well that provide personalized feedback and adaptive learning paths. There are virtual labs and simulations for hands-on learning experience in technical subjects. There are discussion forums, webinars, and hackathons as you have been participated on this event that foster community building and innovation. So my whole idea to just summarize all these things is this: how the online education is better than the traditional learning, because you have so many tools in hand where you can excel your skills in a more promptive manner. Similarly, these tools combined with initiatives like the GLA eHackathon can redefine how we perceive and deliver online education from passive consumption to active creation. Always keep in mind that education is not merely about acquiring information, it's about the transformation. Every module you complete, every concept you grasp, and every skill you develop is an investment in your future self. So, to all the learners, don't stop here. Let this experience be a stepping stone. Continue building, collaborating, and challenging yourself. To the organizers, I would like to say this is just the beginning of a new era of digital engagement. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep inspiring. Once again, my congratulations to everyone involved in GLA eHackathon 2025. Let's continue to fuel ideas and ignite innovation. So, with all
Yes, sir.
these words, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom. Now, what a journey. We have reached towards the end of this extraordinary day. So remember, hackathons don't just build apps, they build the mindset. And today, each one of you has taken a leap toward becoming a builder of tomorrow's world. Take a moment to smile, reflect, and say to yourself, I showed up, I coded hard, and I dared to dream. That's what counts. Until the next time, keep building, keep believing, and never stop asking it to yourself what I can create next.
Now, I would request the co-conveyors of our program, Ms. Soumeshri and Ms. Sakshi Agarwal, to acknowledge the minds and hearts behind the success of this event. Over to you, Ms. Soumeshri, ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Shilpa. Good afternoon, everyone. As we draw the curtains on this vibrant day, full of innovation and coding at the GLA eHackathon 2025, I take this opportunity to present the vote of thanks. First and foremost, I express my sincere gratitude to our convener, Professor Dr. S.C. Joshi, Director, GLA University, whose motivation and vision gave us the confidence to dream big and organize this event. A heartfelt thanks to our co-convener, Dr. Kushbu Srivastava, head of the department, for her guidance and support throughout the process. I also extend warm thanks to our co-convener, Mr. Tarun Batra, for his creative input related to event design and coordination. We are fortunate to have Professor Dr. Vinay Alawat as our guest of honor. Right at the beginning, when I was wondering how to go about conducting an online hackathon, I reached out to him. He was so kind and generous in sharing his ideas and giving us the right direction. Thank you so much, sir, for your guidance, support, and wisdom. Our respected judge, Anand and Mitesh, who are my ex-students from Mumbai University, thank you for accepting my invitation instantly. Your willingness to step in without hesitation and support us means a lot. Thank you for continuing to stay connected and contributing with such enthusiasm and warmth. A very special mention to Miss Shrey Mittal, whose energy and enthusiasm truly stood out. Beyond hosting wonderfully, she played an important role in multiple aspects of event, right from drafting problem statements to managing the overall flow, engaging the participants, and mentoring the learners throughout. Her contribution has been truly remarkable and deeply appreciated. As the planning progressed, Mr. Aditya Tiwari came on board with great dedication, working closely with me in handling participant registrations and managing data efficiently. He ensured seamless coordination and also took the initiative to mentor the learners during the event. Thank you, Aditya sir, for your constant support and valuable contribution throughout the journey. With that, now I invite our co-convener, Ms. Sakshi Agarwal, to take over. Thank you.
Thank you, Soumeshri ma'am. It's my pleasure to continue the vote of thanks by reorganizing the tireless effort of more wonderful contributors. A big thanks to Professor Shilpa Agarwal for hosting the event with grace and clarity, helping us engage the audience and set the right tone. I would like to thank Mr. Satyam Chaudhary, who is going to handle certificate distribution, which an important aspect that add value to the participants' experience. And to Mr. Sarik Khurana, thank you for always being quick and creative with your flyer designs, even at short notices. And your design edited great visual appeal to our event communications. Thank you all support team, especially Mrs. Megha Bansal, for ensuring all registration related communication was handled very professionally. I also like to thank Mr. Mohit Chauhan for helping with Zoom link creation, YouTube live setup before the event, making sure everything runs smoothly. We are also grateful to all the faculty members who encouraged and motivated learners to participate, give us numbers and energy we needed for such a large scale event. So, and of course, to all participants who took up the challenge and working patiently and innovatively for 12 hours. Your spirit is what made this event truly memorable. Each one of you has contributed in a unique and important way. Thank you all for making this event a grand success. Let us continue to foster innovation and collaboration in the times to come. On the behalf of entire organizing team, I thank each and every one of you for making GLA eHackathon 2025 a grand success. Thank you to all.
Have we clicked the pictures, all the pictures, Soumya? Sakshi?
Yes,
Picture.
sir, but we
Let
can
us.
share the photo now.
Okay, before we I mean, is this the time to disperse? Actually, which we don't want to do, but we have to. So we can have some good and crazy pictures then very quickly on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Definitely, sir.
All of
Uh-huh.
it.
So let's
Yeah.
have some good pictures. Let's have some clapping pictures so that where everybody looks clapping. I mean, like, so please turn your videos on, those who are on the screen right now. I see some names. I mean, without, yeah, let's just have some pictures. Okay, quickly, very nice. Wow. See? So when we are ready to click the pictures, just let us know. I mean, some more, I mean, faces to come on the screen. Acha. 30 सेकेंड ले लेते हैं फिर हम लोग है ना. So just quickly, just shape your hairs, those who have. I mean, and I mean, just tie your quickly, your knots and everything, and then just let's take pictures. Especially all the winners and all the participants, if they can be on the screen, that would be great, including the judges and the guest of honor and other people. Now, Kartike, you can turn your camera on. So whenever you see full screen and you keep taking the pictures, okay. And we can then let's take some clapping pictures. So your clap should be visible on the screen. Yay! See, some more hands are required. Satyam, Shubhi, वाह वाह वाह, क्या बात है. मृदुल, सबके अच्छा. चिराग, सीमा, clappings. Oh, see, सबकी clappings ने. इमशाद, यो हो, क्या बात है. रितिका, सबका clappings नजर आएगा. प्रवेश. Oh, wow. Keep taking the pictures, guys. I mean, these are the moments. See, you all are fabulous, fantabulous people on this earth. See, and this is the opportunity for us to see you all. I mean, like, very vibrant. Wow, wow, wow. क्या बात है. और किसी तरह की पिक्चर्स चाहिए हमको. सौम्या, आपका काम हो गया शायद, है ना? Okay, we can thumbs up very quickly. एक पिक्चर ऐसा भी ले लेते हैं. Crazy, come on, guys. You all are the best on this earth. Oh, क्या बात है. Okay, then thank you so much, everyone, for your participation. We will meet soon. Whenever you, are around, Greater Noida, please just jump in. We will have tea together. We will have lunch together. Just let us know. You all are very, very precious to us. And we will meet. We will sit together. We will talk. Okay. So, or just email us, just call us anytime. I mean, we will meet, I mean, and just the journey shouldn't end just here. Okay. So definitely we'll be in touch. Is that all? So officially, I mean, closing of the event, Soumya, any one of you are doing that, or Mayank? Acha, okay, Mayank, you are raising your hand. I mean, okay. They can talk to you. I mean, you would like to say something. They can talk to you one-on-one. Okay. Please go ahead, organizers.
Okay, so participants, keep coding, keep going. This was a very much awaited event which we all have been waiting for, and thank you so much, sir, for giving us the privilege and guidance to do this, because without
Thanks to you all.
you being our mentor, we won't have been
Come
able to
on.
do it.
Again, I mean, all the time. See, I mean, you got the praises. I mean, the whole team, organizers, since beginning till the end. I am honestly impressed and very, very privileged. Honestly, this was the time, you did it very, very nicely. Precision was there. See, the precision, preciseness was there. So that's really important, what makes the difference. So we are now seeing the, bigger and better future with the successful conduct of this particular event. Now we are seeing the next level event. So that's the beauty of your, organizing the event and conducting the event. That's all I can say. So, okay then, officially, who is going to announce that, we can officially disperse then? Soumya, you take this.
Yes, thank you everyone for being here. So I now officially declare the closing of valedictory ceremony. Special thanks to Dr. Vinay Alawat sir for being here with us.
Anandji, thank
You are
you.
at the very beginning and also the end of the entire show, sir.
Yeah, that was the best culmination. Yeah. And who could be the better judge? I mean, guest of honor other than him. Yeah, thank you so
All
much.
pleasure is mine, sir.
Thank you.
And I would also like to thank once again for the judges, Anand and Mitesh, for spending their entire day and night yesterday.
Acha. Okay.
Almost like 14 hours they were with us.
Wow.
So thank you so
Very
much,
nice.
Anand and Mitesh. Yes.
Okay.
We
Okay
can now
then.
disperse now.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
thank you
Now,
all.
thank
Take
you so
care.
much,
Have a
everyone.
nice day.
Bye. Have a good day.
Bye.
God bless you all. God bless
God
GLA.
bless you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Jai Shri
Bye.
Ram.
Thank you.